So we're gonna have lunch at the Minions Cafe today. Just waiting in line. Alright, we're entering again. This is so cute. They're taking us to a spot, and I'm gonna show you this guy again. I think I missed him yesterday, or look at that, he's running. And they're sitting us back here. I think we're going to the music area. So we are sitting inside today. Today we have a lot more time. So we're gonna give you a little preview of some of the stuff. We ordered quite a bit.
Lots of stuff. The cheese Ray steak sandwich.
Everything is so cute.
Cauliflower.
Yes, we'll show you what we got. So we also found this, and it's a foosball table. Can you actually play? You could actually play, but there's no ball inside. That is so cool. On the soft opening day, there were so many people that we missed so many things. The infamous banana. Yes, I say infamous a lot, but I love it because it's banana. So these guys arrived at our table. We got the purple minion. We're gonna give you the information right now. And then we got the minion. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna try the purple minion first.
What's that one?
It's like grape. Oh, it has Pop Rocks. Let me try this guy. Oh my god, how it all over my chin.
You know what it tastes like? You know those push pops? It tastes like the...
This one's pure banana, and Brian's gonna love it. Oh, you're gonna love it. It's super banana-y. Hands on this guy. Obviously, I liked it.
It's the PX41 Punch. Lemonade with bright flavors of strawberry and kiwi with evil minion colored topping and blue raspberry pop rock.
So our food has arrived.
Yay.
I got banana bread beer.
Possible ketchup, please. Thank
This
you.
is the cauliflower with blue rice and edamames with cucumber.
I got the steak and blue, or the steak and cheese Ray sandwich with
Are
minion
those
tots.
tater tots?
Minion tots.
They're tater tots and
Minion
minion. Then we got the, what is this?
The pizza.
Oh, the
Meatball
pizza, meatball pizza. That looks so cute. We got Fluffy, the unicorn cupcake. Oh my god, I need to take a picture of that.
Thank you so much.
We got the ropa vieja with cilantro rice, tostones, and veggies.
Because I'm Hispanic.
It's delicious. And then we got the kids
Meatballs.
meatballs. No,
Spaghetti meatballs.
spaghetti and meatballs. Wow, that was a tongue twister. Spaghetti and meatballs and more minion tots, and they're so cute. And rock. Otto the rock. Oh my god, I can't. I'm so excited. What is this supposed to be? Oh dear.
It's peanut butter jelly and a banana bread type like cake
Oh
thing.
my god, that is the cutest thing
so
ever.
excited.
The beer is actually pretty good. How's your sandwich? Delicious?
Oh, no, they're potatoes.
Tater tots, yeah. Cupcake is a funfetti cupcake.
I'm sorry, man.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, when you try a piece, you're
Rock.
gonna like it.
Pet Rock.
Or corn.
Yes, thank you so much.
Or corn.
Yep.
What did he look like inside?
Peanut butter mousse with a jelly,
Let me see the size.
strawberry jelly.
Oh, wow. So it's peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, it's a PBJ with banana cake.
Oh my goodness.
A banana cake and a chocolate hard shell. Here we go. It's very, very good. The mousse, peanut butter mousse is definitely the prominent flavor in it. You can taste the jelly a little bit. The banana bread, you really can't taste like bananas too much.
Is it like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Sort of, but a very,
But sweeter.
if you put a bunch of peanut butter in it more than anything else.
So it's more peanut butter.
Yes, it's like you taste the peanut butter like 80% peanut butter flavor.
But it's so cute.
But it's delicious. No, but it's really good though. I mean,
So Fluffy's
that's understandable.
cupcake, the frosting is banana. The white part,
Vanilla.
isn't it banana? The white part? I taste banana.
The icing is vanilla, right, Justin?
Oh, it is vanilla. But the pink part tastes like Bubblicious.
No, me neither, but it's really.
It's super weird because it's like bubblegum flavored. I want to keep chewing it, but it's not really bubblegum. But it's super cute. And funfetti, you can't go wrong. Doesn't it make you want to continue chewing? But it's
No.
frosting.
It's
so
like that
funny.
bubble gum when you were, I mean, the toothpaste when you were a kid that would taste like bubble gum, but not.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
I just want to keep chewing.
Remember how good that was? That toothpaste that tasted like bubble gum? So good. I'll give it another go. Off camera, I have a minion just handing me spoonfuls of cotton candy
Beetle.
icing. And now he's handing me banana icing.
And then
And I
what else?
maybe all this frosting, I don't know what to do. And now purple frosting. I think we're having all kinds of things today.
You stuck You stuck it in my oh no, the mini just keeps
That's
going.
it. I'm gonna have a
And it's
diabetic.
not me. Your tongue's
You must
purple.
die.
A lot of things are gonna be purple.
Hello out there! Greetings from the television.
Boogie people. Look at us.
Up here, on that screen.
Hey, go Odin. Look at your push button. Look at Fluffy. She's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. She's got a fluffy. So they have the Funko Pop movie series, exclusive product of Universal. And
We have
yes,
this
I already have it. So much cute merch. I was actually looking for the new minions that you have to dress up. Let's see. And then there's, he's in his whitey tighties. And then you dress him up. Oh my goodness. How much is he?
It's here.
There we go.
$19 for the plush and then $16 for the outfit.
That is
With a
too cute.
discount.
And then there's this outfit. And this outfit. Like the carnival
So we could go to the
on the ride. Just super silly stuff. And we're crossing over to evil stuff. And this just opened up too. So let's see what kind of merch they have in here. This is too cute. Tough chick. That's too cute, Pollito. Oh my god, they're all dressed up like the villains. Like Vector. Evil is my middle name. Oh my goodness, it's too cute. They also have more lounge flies. I love this lounge fly. Oh my god, it's so cute. That's really cool. They got more of the Minion plushies, the Zappers. Vector on top. Scarlet.
That's literally rides right there.
I'm guessing this is the exit to the ride. But VillainCon International. Got lanyards and pins and keychains. Look at this guy. Oh my god. So cute. PJs and t-shirts and towels. So many cute lounge flies. It says have a bad day. Have a bad day. That's the theme here. Vicious 6. That's too cute. Wow, look at you.
I like villains.
I know, it's so cute. Look. Has that? What else? And then it's like
It's
reversible.
that print right there on the shorts.
Oh, look, it's right here. And then it's reversible on this side. So this side and then inside out. And it's super cute. It looks really cute. Make my day. You're the door holder?
That's me. The door holder.
Make my day. Let's see what it's about. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this is. Make my day. Cotton candy. Here's Loungefly. All kinds of sweets. Super cute. Look how funny this is. He's on the roof. There's another little bakery with a bunch of goodies. Macarons, macaroons. Look at that. It's so pretty in here. You see all the other villains on the wall as well. And they have illumination, which we saw the Sing characters. They bring the minions. Hey, are you a character here?
An ugly one.
Oh, no, you're not. And they meet up before 3 o'clock. Almost every hour they have new characters. So we're back at our hotel room. We're staying at the Dockside Suites. So we have the little kitchen area. We have the bathroom. We have a room. And then 2 beds. Hey, guys. So here we go. Here we go. This is my little jersey.
You gotta show the back of it.
Shirt. And this one was $60. And then the back is what makes it even cuter. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got a lanyard pouch with the 30th and the lanyard,
Beautiful lanyard.
which is so pretty. Then we got the t-shirt, and the sleeve has a JP30. This one was $27. We got a throwback Back to the Future. That one was $26. We got the Universal magnet. Oh, we got this. This is awesome for the wall, for our Universal room. We got a Roosevelt up in the cut. Another one for my brother. And then also for our Universal room, this one was $16. And he got the little clippy, little badge holder, real. This one was $9, and the Roosevelt's was $75.
Don't forget about the Velociraptor claw.
Oh, and the claw, yes. You saw us make it $8, and it says Jurassic Park on it.
It's such a great little tiny cool.
It's super cute. Super fun.
All of their wax molds this year were great. They had the Velociraptor being born out of the egg at Discovery Center, and then also I'm sure you showed them it was the gates. The gates
Oh, yeah.
at Jurassic Park in the first
As well.
room.
Yeah.
So I like their wax figures. This
So yeah, this is our. Obviously, we're obsessed with Jurassic Park. Do you think? Remember,
Like, subscribe, comment, share, tag, do a backflip.
and whatever you do, don't leave people behind. He left us.
He left.
He left us.
Your voice left you.
My voice. Later.